At number 1, we have the WiZ Mountain Bike. This is the practical choice for a versatile 24-inch bike, starting at around $159.99. Its high-carbon steel frame and full suspension offer durability and a sturdy ride. It's perfectly sized for smaller adults and taller teenagers from 4'8" to 5'6". The wider 24-inch tires provide excellent stability and grip on neighborhood streets, bike paths, and light trails. Front and rear V-brakes give you independent control, making it easy to slow down on hills or in the street. And with an 18-speed drivetrain, you can easily tackle any hills you encounter on your route. The twist shifters allow for fast and reliable gear changes to adapt to the terrain. While assembly can take some patience, the WiZ Mountain Bike is a compelling, affordable option for neighborhood riding, commuting, and light trails.
At number 2, we have the cubsala Trident 24-inch BMX Race Bike. This bike combines a rad BMX-inspired design with a tough high-10 steel frame, all for a wallet-friendly $259.99. It features reliable linear pull V-brakes and a superior drivetrain for consistent controlled rides. Perfect for a wide range of riders from 4'4" to 6'2". It's the ultimate bike for fun and freedom. Plus, it comes 85% pre-assembled, so you can get rolling in no time. The steel frame does add some weight, but that extra heft gives beginners and casual riders incredible stability. Best for beginners, teenagers, and casual BMX riders who want a sturdy 24-inch bike. Skip it if you need an extremely lightweight competition BMX bike.
At number 3, we have the Glerc Missy 24-inch girls beach cruiser bike. It's probably the most visually distinctive bike on this list. The first thing that stands out is the wicker front basket and classic cruiser styling, giving it a completely different personality. But it's not just about looks. It has a 6-speed Shimano drivetrain, giving young riders more flexibility for hills and different conditions. And it grows with your child. The adjustable quick-release seat and handlebars accommodate changes in height. Plus, the soft saddle provides ample comfort for long rides around the neighborhood. It's perfect for neighborhood rides, parks, and school trips, making it easy for kids to ride with friends. The Glerc Missy is the perfect stylish and comfortable bike for girls who want to enjoy casual adventures.
Product number 4, AVASTA Kids Bike. The AVASTA Kids Bike is also a great contender, priced at $199.99. With its sturdy frame and cool design, it's sure to catch any kid's eye. If you're looking for a reliable bike for your child, this is worth looking into. This bike is crafted with a durable step-over steel frame, ensuring it can handle rough riding conditions. The high-strength front fork and rubber tires give great grip and stability. Plus, the dual V-brakes provide solid braking power, which is crucial for safety. It's designed for kids aged 9 to 14, making it perfect for those who are ready to take their biking to the next level. With a good rating of 4.5 stars from 311 reviews, it's clear that parents trust this bike. Now, some users pointed out that the assembly can be a bit involved. But here's the thing. Once it's set up, the bike is solid and offers great performance for kids learning to ride confidently. It's a fantastic choice for those adventurous kids. This bike is perfect for you if you have a child who loves to explore and ride on various terrains. Skip this one if your child is a complete beginner requiring more stability. For $199.99, it offers excellent value for a durable bike. Moving on, the last bike on our list is great for those looking for a fun BMX experience. Product number 5, JOYSTAR Broadway BMX Bike. Finally, we have the JOYSTAR Broadway BMX Bike, priced at $219.99. This bike stands out with its fun colors and sturdy build, making it perfect for young riders. If you're seeking a bike that encourages tricks and freestyle riding, this is one to consider. The JOYSTAR BMX Bike is designed for beginner riders, featuring a durable high-10 steel frame for reliable support. The single-speed drivetrain makes it easy for kids to ride without any complicated shifting. The aluminum U-brake offers great control, which is a must for young riders learning to navigate the streets or parks. With over 700 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, this bike is popular among parents and kids alike. Now, some users mentioned that the single speed can be limiting for some riders. But honestly, for beginners, it's perfect. It allows them to focus on mastering their balance and control without worrying about gears. This bike is ideal for kids just starting their biking journey. This bike is perfect for you if you have a child who enjoys BMX and needs a sturdy bike to start with. Skip this one if you're looking for a bike that can handle more advanced riding. At $219.99, it's a great option for budding BMX enthusiasts. So there you have it. The WiZ Mountain Bike is great for all-terrain riding. Cubsala offers style and beginner-friendly features. The Glerc girls bike is perfect for casual rides.